Today I'm gonna be Hey guys, it's Sophie. So today I'm gonna be making clear glue. So yeah, the ingredients you're gonna need is clear glue, biotrue contact solution, and oh my gosh, there's the cord. Wait, no, that's my iron. Okay, and then baking soda, and then spindles. Yeah, I kept trying to make a video, but okay, that Bubba, stop. God, put his paw under the door. There's extra glue there. The glue's in here. Now I want to add some contact solution. Half a tablespoon. Put it in. Okay, now now you want to open up the baking soda. Oh my gosh. Why is it taking forever to open? Okay, there we go. Y'all probably fast forward. You know what, screw it. Okay. This better work, and if it doesn't, I used my first bottle for nothing. Okay. Let's try. Is it? It's working, yes. Add more contact solution, they say. Yes, I think it's working. Yes. Three, two, one, mix. Yes, it's starting to work. That looks so satisfying. Alright, and Bella, if you're watching this is going to irritate you. This sound. 3. If y'all don't know who Bella is, she's my sister. 3. Bella, I'm sorry you have to listen to this, but 3. Oh, I didn't make the sound. Too sticky. Ah. So cool. I didn't even put food coloring. It's like a pearl. Ooh, this could be pearl slime. So I just want to tell y'all this works. Baking soda, contact solution, clear glue, and you'll get this. It's kind of sticky. So, yeah, get off. I'm gonna add more contact solution since it's sticky. What was that voice like? Sticky. Get off. Yeah, about to have. There's like sticky slime when you just like get it. Open. Let's fish the slime, but also now let's just spell if you want it. This is gonna irritate you, so you might want to pause the video and fast forward. And if y'all don't know why I'm saying pause the video and fast forward, Bella, because she absolutely hates this sound. I think it's okay. But here is my pearl, I guess, slime. It's really cool, in my opinion. Oh my god. What's this? And now. Let's pick it all up. Okay, this is all of the slime right here. Oh yeah, guys. This might not, y'all might not know who this is, but last night I was on Roblox. I was a Roblox fan. Anyway, and I was on Roblox and I searched up Inquisitor Master and I saw the real Inquisitor Master. And I went on her games that she played. The Blox Watch is on there. And she was a target. Wait. Ah! Oh no! Is it my hair? No, that's just my hair. Oh yeah, guys. I had some good sticky slime the other day. I didn't make a video about it though. And I thought it'd be a good idea to put beads in it. I'm gonna go get that. Watch. Don't do this. Barley though. Okay. So this is the slime, right? It looks kind of good. Listen to it. Look. Watch when I try poking it. Falls apart. Don't put foam beads in your good slime. But this one, it's perfect. Oh, if I had a potato masher, what what you do is you get it. It will rise up. Oh, oh, that's so clear. But you get the potato masher and you pick it up. And then you drop it. And listen to this crunch. I don't know how this glittery and pearly. Thank you. This is what made it pearl, so thank you. Hang on, I'm gonna go show this to my dad. So possible. Bye guys.